Hello, I'm Noshin Anjum.
Hi, I am Hasfa Hasin.
So today we're going to discuss about digital presentation over the e-portfolio design of fundamental of business information system.
Here we are going to focus on the overview, purpose, a collection, reflection as an assessment of the e-portfolio design throughout the e-study period. Let's start with my overview. Considering the overview, we can say that e-portfolio was designed to help us understand and share our skills and knowledge with our classmates and lecturers. Information system is very essential for today's business. In this course, we got to learn why information system is very important in business, what type of information system a business should use, why e-commerce is more favorable in this civilization. Now let's talk about the purpose. The main purpose of the e-portfolio is to keep the students aware of their learning process so that they can demonstrate and talk about the topics clearly and explain it to others. The e-portfolio creates a platform where students discuss over weekly topics with other classmates and share their ideas and knowledge and get the feedback on them through various weekly activities and tasks. The e-portfolio inspired us to gather information related to the course and do essential research while discussing the thoughts on the weekly discussion forums, which not only let the students get good marks but also with better understanding with the whole study period. Talking about the reflection, we can say the e-portfolio reflects on every given task, whether it's an weekly discussion or one of the assignment of the course. The e-portfolio gives students the opportunity to evaluate their knowledge and understanding over the cases provided in assignment 1, 2 and 3. Finally, the e-portfolio provided students with an opportunity to reflecting on how each activity and assessment fits into the entire e-portfolio. Now, the most important part of the e-portfolio is the assignments. Assessment 1 helped the students to reflect their understanding from week 1 to 6 into a case study where the case is Derby Coffee Shop. Assessment 2 had the same case study, but here the students had to demonstrate their learnings from week 6 to 12. And Assessment 3 led the students to reflect their knowledge through the entire study to complete the case study on ABC University.
Now let's start with my overview for the entire semester. This e-portfolio provides a vast knowledge about the fundamentals of business information system. It also gives us an idea about how to involve with any organization by the discussion forums and weekly activities across 13 weeks. Main theme of this e-portfolio is developing our students' knowledge with proper business adapting ideas like as why and how our business e-commerce system can adapt new technology for their better profit. This assessment also demonstrates the learning outcomes of the case studies about Derby Coffee and ABC University. Now let's talk about the purpose of the e-portfolio. The purpose of the e-portfolio is to demonstrate what we have learned throughout the semester with the help of discussion forums, weekly activities, and pre-assessments. The e-portfolio is designed with the purpose of learning process for the students. The e-portfolio is about our outcomes from the discussion forums and assessments. We able to collect suggestions and feedbacks from our fellow classmates. Also, we get suggestions and feedbacks about our understandings for the assessments and weekly discussion forums from our lecturers. The reflection of this e-portfolio is observe the lecturer and other students and describe what you learned from them. Listen to what your classmates have to say about issues and the lecturer raised on every weekly discussion, and use the different perspectives to deepen our personal academic reflection. Ask questions to ourselves on why and how the weekly discussions and assessments will help us in better academic reflective learning. So now let's talk about the outcomes from the assessment. The three assessments in the e-portfolio will help our students to demonstrate what we have learned throughout the entire semester on that particular course. The assessment provides us with two different cases where all the unit learnings, class lectures, weekly discussions and activities had to be used. Complete those assessments. Finally, the e-portfolio provides students a better learning experience for the entire study period.